Ever spent weeks building a demand forecast only to realize your model can't handle seasonal spikes or sudden market shifts? Software developers face a brutal truth. Outdated methods lead to inventory chaos, resource bottlenecks, and missed growth opportunities. This skill arms you with time series decomposition to isolate trends, SARIMA for statistical precision, LSTM networks for deep learning patterns, and Prophet's robust seasonality detection. We'll even show you how to containerize models using Docker and deploy serverless APIs with AWS Lambda. Whether you're a back-end engineer battling production delays, a data engineer pre-processing messy sales logs, or an ML specialist optimizing hyperparameters, this is your toolkit. Spoiler, no crystal ball required. Here's what's inside the Building Demand Forecasting Model skill. Master time series stationarity testing with augmented Dickey-Fuller. Extract cyclical patterns through Fourier transforms. And benchmark models using SMAPE metrics. Our hands-on projects include training XGBoost on multi-seasonal datasets, comparing SARIMA's ARMA components against LSTM's memory cells, and deploying Flask APIs with Terraform templates. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, including a grocery chain sales dataset with 2.1 million rows. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn chaotic data into strategic foresight. Predict demand with AI-grade precision. Installing the Building Demand Forecasting Model skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Demand Forecasting Model. That's it. You'll download the complete skill: expert-level guidance on feature engineering, pre-built pipelines for scikit-learn and TensorFlow, and deployment manifests for Kubernetes clusters. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes time series patterns. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug model drift and optimize rolling windows. Warning: may cause sudden urges to refactor legacy forecasting systems. Ready to predict the future? Your command line just became a crystal ball.